So apparently it snowed yesterday. As you can tell, this is what Atlanta looks like when it snows. I know, we almost died in the snow. Come on, people, really? It's like not even that cold out. I'm wearing a t-shirt and a coat. Like, for real. This is so stupid. This is why everyone makes fun of Georgia. Because we are pussies and can't stand the snow. We really are pussies when it comes to snow. Like, it's not even that cold out. Like, look, I'm taking my jacket off and short sleeves, and it's not that cold. People are pussies and wimps, and honestly, this blizzard is dumb. Remember the snowpocalypse when no one can drive? People in the city can't even drive, which really sucks. Like, have you ever tried driving in the snow in Georgia? It's terrible. People are like, oh my god, I can't drive. Oh no, there's ice. Crash. This is so dumb. This is end. Bye.